Today we will record a tutorial on this small basket for you. 14 times 20 base plate. Turn on the protective film. Imitation wood grain eyebrow strips for vertical strips. Cut it 48 centimeters. It has a total of 36 holes. We first pass the whole of this base plate through the code, and then add a strip. The door is to pass through the front. Wear the bottom on the left. Keep the lower left and right aligned and tighten. Pierce the entire base plate. Pay attention to the last one. Wear the left below the right because there is a village. He's going to wear it on top of this cane. Lower left and upper right aligned and tightened. Then let's wear this bottom. Do it first after wearing it by the chain. The chain edge at the bottom. Stick to the buckle on the side. Look here. Let's take the strip on the right-hand side first. Take the strip on the left. Two strips coming out of the same hole are in a group. Pick one to the left. Pick up the previous set of bars and pick one to the left. After picking one or two groups in a row, press the strip to the right. Press one, then when pressing, you need to use your finger to take another strip forward. Did you watch it when you took it? Fingertip, hold down the strip you just pressed. Push up the front set of strips here. Next, continue to pick one to the left. When there are two on the left, there are two groups on the left. Press the bar to the right, pick a group. Press a group and repeat the same action, the entire base plate. I'll weave the whole base plate. Look at us here. Do you need to pay attention when knitting to the end? Pick left and right, press right. By this point, he's done, isn't he? Then if you pick to the left, he will not be adjusted. Then you first have to adjust this group and this group. He's got a different arc. You have to withdraw these two petals first. Exit these two sets of articles first. After pushing, rectknit the two sets of strips. Okay, here it is. You can take a look at everyone. Here it is. Then you pick forward. Is he gone? Then you need to borrow the previous one to connect it. End to end, one boundary ahead. Turn it up after adjusting. Our tune is set into groups on the left. And one petal and two petals on the right are not adjusted out. Then you just need to adjust these two groups through the right side in turn. With the help of a knife, this position just entered. This petal here will strip. Wear it to the right. Wear it out with the help of the position of the warped knife groove. Here's another set of strips. Borrow the knife again, like this set of strips to the right. So here we are. Our pins are ready. Next, add an article.